Okay, so for the US side, we can see that it drops for four days straight. It drops, but it's still in the zone. Yeah, not in the zone. It's still in sideways, consolidating currently. Yep. So there's nothing much to see, but it's actually quite a huge drop for yesterday. So let's see what he's going to do. Let's see what he's trying to do on today. Yeah, you can see that the Dow Jones and also the Nasdaq both is still inside the consolidation area, but it's at the support already, the consolidation area, the box range support. So if it can't rebound, it will go and retest it. Nasdaq will retest the purple line, and then if it drops, it will go test maybe triple bottom. And then for the Dow Jones, if it drops, it will go test this blue area, this one, this blue line, yeah, around 32.5K area, which also coincides with the downtrend line resistance to support. Yeah. So if we can't support right here, he will eventually retest here. So like I said, it's still a bear market. It's a in the meantime, it's a small rally only. That's also the same as for the Malaysian market. It's still a bear market, like I said. That's why yesterday there's a huge sell down for like SFP tech, all those things. You can see this chart is really ugly. Okay, so towards the end, all the SFP tab leads to sell down. That's why everything continues to sell down. And then Inform fails to limit up. Yep. So this kind of thing, it actually still happens. That's why we don't want to get rushed in anything, don't want to get swept by the momentum. It's because of this kind of thing will happen. You don't know when it will hit you because this is still a bear market, like I said. Don't think that okay, there's some few stocks that are bull that can play, that are really bullish, then the whole market is very bullish. No, it's still bearish market. You can see from the overall, the sentiment from Dow Jones, the buyer has exhausted already currently. That's why the sellers are taking in charge, and it's easier to sell down than expected, because at this area, the box I drew at this area is because it has reached resistance already. And then the buyers can't push up, even though with this good news, even though with the Biden's good news, it can't push up. And that's why the buyers are exhausted. And then the sellers will take charge and then sells down. Let's see which support will they take. Is it a steep sell down, another steep sell down, and then all the way reach and form a lower low? Or is it going to form a higher low? Let's look at it. So actually we can see that from the KLCI, it's also not that great. After the last Friday, I mean, after the election, after the Anwar has been selected to be the PM, it retraces all the way back. All the way back might reach around 16K for 1.46. Yeah, K 1.46K this support. And if you can't support, go and retest this area. So currently it looks like it's going to form a uptrend. Is because of the EMA 2060 is crossing up already. And then if you can hold above 1.46K, then it would be good. If you can't hold above here, then it might maybe go from a head and shoulder like this and here. Okay, so why do I go through that much for this, for the whole US market and the Malaysian market? Is because I want you guys to still have a picture that this is still a bear market, not a bull market. A bull market is not like this one. Okay, so this is still a bear market. So that's why don't try to rush in anything. Don't try to get swept away by the momentum. And don't try to get so greedy. If there's profit, there's profit. Like 200, 500, it's still a profit. Yeah. If you get out earlier, it's still a profit. If you catch 5% out of 100%, it's still profits. So just remember that this is still a bear market. Okay, let's go into my watch list. The first one is still MASTEEL. If you notice that I have actually taken BSLCORP out of my watch list, it's because there's too long of a list. So for those BSLCORP, you guys know that it's forming a ladder pattern. You guys just can keep monitoring it. No need for me to keep it in my watch list. Let me explain. Like this BSLCORP, you clearly know that you can clearly see that where's the box support, box resistance at. So there's no need for me to update. You guys should know that much. Okay, it's because it's really straightforward and it's really, really clear. For example, like here around 16 to 16.5 cents is a breakout, and then he's supporting at around 15 cents. So you can see really clearly. Yep, you can see it consolidate at the range one. If you can't see it, you can put it in 1 hour in a lower time frame. You can see that where he is trying to break out at and trying to support that. Yep. It's very straightforward for BSLCORP. And then the next one is still DATAPRP. Okay, DATAPRP retraces, but it's still holding above 30 cents. And also SEDANIA also. So these two, yeah, just look at it for its momentum. Not sure if you wanted to game over yet, but it's still holding above high. It did not slam down, which is a good signal. I'm not sure if he's going to do like BSLCORP, going to consolidate for a few days first. But if he did consolidate for a few days, then that might give us more confidence to get in instead of getting in right here, right this day. So for DATAPRP, day trade first. Yep, day trade first. Don't go and swing this kind of stock because it's high risk. You don't know what will happen. For example, like yesterday, if Synergy did not TP, then we would end up in losses because it slams all the way back down to red color, you know. Yeah, it slams back all the way down to 925. Our entry is around 935. Yeah. Okay, so for DATAPRP and SEDANIA, what we're going to do is we are going to look at the momentum and then look at the supports. If it's holding above and then the momentum comes, you can get in. But it's risky, like I said, it's risky. If you don't know how to cut loss, if you cannot follow through the plan to cut loss, then just don't get it. Just don't touch this stock. Can monitor first, monitor and get ready for the next one because you need to know how it works. You need to know how this kind of stock up and down and how syndicate works so that you can engage in the next one instead of you just I'm not calling you guys to just stay out at all and don't monitor. Monitor is a necessary because you guys need that experience to execute and with that speed. Because with my reference, with this kind of speed going up, with a reference, you guys also could keep up one, and it might end up with you guys stacking up high, yeah, chasing high and then stuck up high. So usually this kind of quick momentum one, yeah, it's up to you to catch. Yeah, I can say it's 70 to 80% up to you to catch. I can give you, I can update like this is coming, this is what's coming, like ECA, like inform. I can inform you guys, but I cannot like make you entry that positions, you know. Okay, so for this DATAPRP, be careful, yeah, because it's risky. And then with the US sell down, and then also with the sell down SSP tag, all those old IPO team yesterday, it would be a bit dangerous for today. The sentiment might affect a little bit in the morning. Let's see how it plays out. So if you don't have any positions, just hold on. Don't rush in so quickly. Okay, so the next one is Cosmos. It's going sideways currently. Okay, it's going sideways. It's forming a ladder pattern. Let's see what it's trying to do. Okay, so there's still other risky stock. I did not put it in my watch list because I know not much of you would go and touch it, like ECA, Inform. Now, this kind of stock, you guys can go ahead and play yourself. If you wanted, just monitor it. Don't try to get in. Just monitor what it's trying to do. And then why do I put UMCs? Because when other is slamming down into red, ECMO and UMC is actually holding quite well. Let's see what they are trying to do because it's ladder pattern already. Let's see if they can show up. And then this SLVEST is also trying, but there's no momentum. Although there's volume, but there's no momentum. Okay, so keep on monitor like SLVEST, Pekat, or SidePark, and one more is Samaiden. Yeah, all this is Solar Team. Yeah, you guys can look at it. And then the next one is SYSTECH. This one is already shot up too far off. It's still in my watch list. It reaches resistance already. So what I'm looking at is it might retraces or go sideways for 1 to 2 days. Wait, SMF5 to catch up first. Okay, so there's new watch list, new stocks to monitor. It's BIG. It broke out. You can see here, right here, it broke out. It broke out and then it retested back, and also forming a ladder pattern right here. So it's good. It's something that you can monitor Okay, but let's not rush in because, like I said, the sentiment is not that good. So let's see what he's trying to do first. So for big, the similar counter, the side counter is also HWATAI. So big, HWATAI, and EDARAN, these four, these three, is quite related somehow. When big goes, these two also wanted to go. So big, HWATAI, and EDARAN. Okay, the next one is SCIB and RENEUCO, which they did not slam down. Instead, they eat up. So let's monitor it because SCIB is going to break out soon, because SCIB is the one who currently is leading RENEUCO. Usually is RENEUCO. You know that RENEUCO is KPow previously. So previously is this RENEUCO brought up SCIB, but currently SCIB was the one who's bringing momentum. And then there's a huge volume for SCIB. So let's see what they're trying to do. Yeah. By the way, this SCIB and RENEUCO, it's also high risk like SEDANIA and DATAPRP. And the next one is AMTEL. Okay, this AMTEL, it dropped and then retraces and then holds above this resistance area and then rebounded. Let's see if it can go up higher, maybe reach 4 ringgit. Okay, this solid also has some volume. Yeah, it's going to break the EMA 60. Maybe this 28.5 cents is the place that he needs to break out. Okay, so these are mainly the watch list that I'm looking at. Oh, one more thing I think is CUSCAPI, right? Yeah, CUSCAPI is going to break out also. There's a huge increase in volume, but I'm not sure if he's going just like this, huge increase in volume and then drops back, because this CUSCAPI is also tagged and then NASDAQ is not doing great. So let's see what are they trying to do today.
Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.